Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find linked roles settings on your account on Discord on your server. Easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, now click roles, and now click here. Here you will find links, click on it, and that's it. Here you can add requirements, and that's how to create linked roles and how to find linked roles on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.